That's the situation right now. What the what? Look. Look at that. Ice. What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here. Now, this video was never planned to be made or whatever. It's just I woke up and I'm heading out. Yeah. That's the situation right now. Heading out, and I was saying, yeah, I'm going to work or whatever. I started looking at my car, right? And like all the other cars, like that's my windscreen right there. Right, this is inside the car, right? Look at it. You can't see shit. You can't see nothing. Look, nothing. Nothing you can see. Now look at my windscreen. Look at that. You looking? Wait, let me switch the camera away. What the what? You kidding me? Kidding me? What in the world is going on here? What in the world is going on? It is not even snowing yet. It's just fall, not even winter. Just freaking fall. I want to go back home to Jamaica, honestly. Honestly, yo. Honestly. Shit. This is fucking... It's ice. Look. Look at that. Ice. Fucking ice. What the fuck? Freaking ice, dog. This is trash. Some heavy ass trash. Honest, this is trash. Some hot water and some shit right there. Look at that shit. But, huh? Yeah, I'm gonna go buy one soon. I don't got one yet. Hey, could you let me real quick, please? Please. Thank you. I'm holding for you. Okay. I don't even know her. She saw me here using my hand and shit. Look at that. My hand is freezing, guys. Freezing. Freezing. The hell? I'm not used to this shit. Fuck no, I ain't. Damn. The back is clean though. Even on top of a car, yeah. Nice dog. Look at that shit. Imagine the snow, guys. Look at that. Pardon me. But right now I'm going. Can you get a Walmart, right? Damn. Look at that, guys. Oh shit. I'm off to wake up to this shit every damn morning. Look at that shit right there. Look at that. Damn. My hand just oh shit. I got the heater on in the car and shit, so it's like it's getting it done. Look at that one right there. Oh crap! Yeah, my class shit. My arm is freezing. Oh my gosh! I need gloves and all. I need to go winter shopping. Inside the car is so warm and nice because I turned the heat on. But man's not used to this shit, yo. Man's not used to this shit. It's like it's some fucking snow on that shit. I'm not even cold because I came here when it was like a little bit cold. But it's getting too cold now. It still starts snowing. I'm gonna run back to Jamaica right now. I run to that shit. My hand is freezing. Freezing, yo. Shit. I'm heading to Walmart right now to get me a scraper and get me some gloves and shit. I wasn't ready to do that winter shopping yet, but it's gotta be done. It's gotta be done, guys. God damn. Huh. But what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ty. Oh, y'all doing? Hope you are doing great. I'm not doing great because my car. Yeah, well, no, it's not really. I'm doing great because guess what? I'm making a video out of this bullshit, and I'm gonna post this shit, make some money. So. Let's get ready to go get me a scraper. Shit, I'm so glad that I woke up early so I can like go to Walmart or whatever and get me a like shit. shit. Damn. So I can go to Walmart and get me a scraper for my glasses when I wake up in the mornings. Now. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir. Okay, that looks great. That looks great. Let me see if the engine still works. Yeah. For the Benz. Wait. Want to hear the Benz, you know. Ready? Yeah. Alright, eat that Sharon. Oh, that Sharon. Eat that Sharon. Everyone's supposed to look such a biggie, that boy. But anyways, guys, let's go to Walmart. I'm going to work, honestly. But as you all saw, I didn't mean to make this video. So let's go to Walmart real quick and get that scraper and some gloves. Shit. Damn, I cut myself. I cut my damn. Focus on my finger. I get some gloves and that. I need to get me some. What's that called again? The lip balm crap. Yeah, I need to get me one of those too. But anyways, smash like button. Drop something in the comment section, guys. If honestly, I was waiting for the moment, but I wasn't ready yet, guys. Honestly, it's not time for all this bullshit yet. Really, I was waiting for the moment, but let's go. I've been talking a lot. I guess that's what the vlog's all about still, so gotcha, bitch. Let's go to Walmart. Windows, I had to roll it down with the heater on. I'm gonna clean this shit off. Yeah, got the kerchief like was still there, yeah, you see me? Yeah, kerchief. That's gonna look dirty, you know? That's gonna look dirty as fuck. That one I can see shit through that, but this is gonna look dirty. You see the water? It's gonna leave a dirty mark on my damn screen. My damn reflector. Shit. Get a dry rag. And it's still like shit. God damn, man. No, it's worse. It's getting worse. It's not even getting off. Get off. Shit. Get off. No, it's getting cold. These just gonna go up. See? No, I can't see shit. It's even worse. I made a bigger mess. God damn. I should have just left it alone. As y'all can see, it's a very beautiful day outside. It looks warm, right? Hell no, it's not warm. Hell no, it's not hot. It's sunny, right? Hell no, it's not sunny. Damn, I want to go home. Jamaica! I miss you, baby. No, I don't miss Jamaica. But yeah, guys, it's looking beautiful, right? Yeah, but it's cold as shit. It's so cold. It's like an ice freeze out there. Even my face is white right now. My lips are like, ooh, no, Tarek, I don't want to kiss you. But yeah, heading to Walmart right now, doing the speed limit, as you can see. Ladies, see the car on the road, ladies. I want to look at car man if I want to. Nigga, them one car, man. Where bus I go? Alright. We talk to none reach a Walmart, isn't it? Okay, so we have made it to the great old good old Walmart, guys. Let's go get this scraper and some gloves for myself. It's freezing, guys. Freezing. But this one's snapping. Okay, I see you. Yes, Walmart. As I was saying, guys, yo, I was waiting for the experience and all, but just not this early, yo. Not this early, because as you can see, I wasn't prepared. I know that I should have been prepared for all that, but not yet. I wasn't ready yet. The sun is out, but it's cold. Like when I just moved here. If you cannot watch the earlier vlogs, I was looking a little different in those. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Do you know where I could find the scrapers for the windscreen? Thank you very much. Right against the wall. Thank you, sir. I just happened to notice when I walked by. They're right over there. Here? Yeah. Right here. Oh, these? Yeah, they're right there in front of you. Ice scrapers. Yeah, I woke up this morning and my glass was frozen, man. This just it? This simple right here? This is it? Yeah, that's ice scraper. That's just a cheap one. Oh, I was like, that don't look like you can do shit. Thank you. Like I said, that's a cheap one. That don't look like you could do shit for sure. This right here, quick. I don't know if this shit works, guys. Like I said, that's a cheap one, but I don't know it works. What? Oh yeah, this look like something I should buy now. This is called a Frost Guard Plus, so winter shield cover. Okay. No, I should buy this. This make more sense. This makes more sense, right?
I'm sorry?
This makes more sense, right?
I don't know. What is it?
This is a winter shield.
I guess if you want to take time, put it on and take it off.
Oh, huh. I don't know the word. This is just scrape it. That's a simple one too, right?
Well, this is the scrape it off, and this is when it's thicker, to get down in there and dig it off.
Okay. I don't have to like buy something to put on it, right?
No.
Okay, thank you very much.
Actually, if you want something that's quick, see that spray can right there?
This?
That's
It comes with the
dynamite. That'll take it off her right now.
spray same time.
Just spray it all over the window.
That's $2. Okay. I'll take both of them. That makes sense.
Yeah.
I wasn't prepared for this morning, man. Thank you.
I'll tell you what, it surprised me this morning.
Surprised me, man. These are the chains, right? Okay, these are tire chains that they say we should buy for our cars. So I gotta buy these for when it starts snowing to put on the cars, but I'm not sure if it's this one. But I'm gonna buy it now, John. Just on some buying shit, yo. I'm gonna buy this, and I'm gonna buy the scraper over this too. Honestly. That can wait. That can wait. I'll cop this for now. Guys, while I'm at it, I'm just gonna mess around and get me one of these little things. You understand? Just a little, keep me a little warmer, guys. Mess around. It sucks it doesn't got a hood though, shit. But yeah. Okay guys, so I don't know what the hell I just got or something. I don't know what I got. But I know that when I was cashing just now, she was asking me, are you at least 18? Like, what was that buying to be 18 or older? The windscreen cleaners or whatever? I don't know, but yeah. I got them. I'm ready for tomorrow now. I hope I don't wake up surprised or whatever. So guys, subscribe for more vlog for this winner from your boy Tyrekevlogs or whatever. Understand me? Yeah, come for the experience. Come enjoy yourself. So click the bell and subscribe to get notified every time I post a video. And yeah, I'm cold as shit making this video outside. The sun is out, but shit is cold. But I got them. I'm ready for tomorrow. I got my little sweater or whatever that shit is. This is thin. This don't look warm as ever, but yeah. I'm finna head to work right now, so I'll see you on another video, guys. Subscribe, like, share, and tune in for more videos from my boy Ty.